Alright, in this video we're going to take a look at the Khan Challenge classes of elements. And so the instructions for this one say that we need to style the headings so that their background color is the same color as their text. So just for example, this word metals right here is red, and so they want us to do what they show in the hint right here. We want to make the background color red, and then it says change the text color to white so you can read it. So change it to this to white. So if we change the background color to red and we just leave the text red, then you won't be able to read it here. So we need to really pretty much do two steps on that case. And then it says for this step, start by styling the headings with the metal class. And again, it's specific to the heading. So when you have a normal class selector like metal right here, this dot metal applies to anything that has the class of metal. So if we scroll down, we can see that this strong right here, class of metal, makes this red. So color red, and metal right here where it says metals right here. Okay, and then also on this H2 metals right here, it turns it red. But what we want to do is we want to select only the H2s that have a class, so it will ignore this one and not change it. So just for example, if I come up here and I do background color red, then it changed red here and it changed it here. Okay, that's not what we want to do. We want to leave that alone, and I want to select only the metals that are an H2. So I want to work on this H2 right here that corresponds to this, and I want to leave this one alone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here, I'm going to get rid of that, and I'm going to give myself some space below here, and I'm going to do H2, and then I'm going to do dot metal. And so now I'm selecting my heading 2 with the class of metal. So if I come down here, there's an H2 with a class of metal. So whatever I put in here, I can apply that to. So let me do background dash color red. And then it changed this to red but left this alone. And now I want to do color white, and it will make the text white, and then I can read it. Okay, so that's what you need to do for that step, and that's kind of the example. And you should be able to go ahead and do the same exact concept on the non-metals and the semi-metals. So follow what I did here by using H2 and then dot. In this case, you do H2 dot non-metal and you do H2 dot semi-metal, and then add the correct background color and the color of the text and get it to accomplish it for the other one. So I'm going to let you do those ones on your own. Thanks.